Hi, I'm Rebecca Bell from RB Legal, and today we're talking about why a trust does not always replace a will and how these two documents can work together in a Minnesota estate plan. A lot of people assume that once they have a trust, they no longer need a will, and it makes sense why that question comes up. Trusts are very useful estate planning tools, but here in Minnesota, a trust and a will do different jobs, and in many cases, they work best together. Let's start with the trust. A revocable living trust is one of the most common types of trust used in Minnesota. It can help manage and distribute the assets you place into it. It can also help your estate avoid probate, provide privacy, and allow a successor trustee to step in if you become incapacitated. But here's the important thing to understand. A trust only controls the assets that are actually titled in the name of the trust. So if something is left outside the trust, like a newly purchased asset or an account you forgot to transfer, that asset may still need to go through Minnesota probate court, and this is where a will still really matters. In Minnesota, a will allows you to direct what happens to assets that are not in your trust. It is also the document where you can formally nominate a guardian for minor children, so a trust typically does not do that. For many Minnesota estate plans, the will used alongside a trust is called a pour-over will, and think of it as a safety net. If an asset was not placed into your trust during your lifetime, the pour-over will direct that asset into the trust after your death, usually through the probate process, so it can be distributed according to your trust instructions. Your will also allows you to name a personal representative, which is Minnesota's term for what many people call an executor. This person handles probate assets and final administrative tasks through the court system, and that is something a trust typically does not do. Without a will, Minnesota's intestacy laws decide who receives your assets, and that may not match what you would have wanted. So, do you need both? In many cases, yes. A trust and a will work best together. The trust helps manage assets efficiently and can help avoid probate. The will makes sure nothing is missed and provides important protections, especially when it comes to guardianship and overlooked assets. This is where planning matters a lot. The goal is not just to have documents. The goal is to make sure those documents work together. If you are considering a trust, or if you already have one and are not sure whether your Minnesota estate plan is complete, reach out to us at RB Legal. We can help you review your documents and make sure your plan reflects your wishes. If this was helpful, feel free to like this video, subscribe for more estate planning guidance, and leave your questions in the comments. We'll be delighted to help you. Thanks for watching.